Alright, so now I got the DJ Action 2. I'm using the Saramonic Blink Me. I don't know if it's too low or too high, but let me hit the noise reduction. This is with the noise reduction. Wait, which way am I looking? Okay, I'm going this way. Oh, I'm looking at the wrong mic. Huh, duh. The other one's not plugged in. See, I'm a rookie at this. So noise reduction is off. Now noise reduction is on, and you can hear the train in the background. And I'm gonna hit it one more time for the second level. And what does this sound like? And then are you hearing me good? Because if not, I can always turn up the decibels. Am I louder now? Oh, that's too loud, I think. Okay, I think that's still loud. But okay. Alright, let me hop on the train before it pulls off. Brooklyn Swoop.
This is a Brooklyn bound 2 express train. The next stop.
Alright, so the noise reduction is off right now. And going on the east side. Yeah, so noise reduction is off right now. Not too loud over here. When I get outside, maybe I'll turn it back on. Okay, so now I'm gonna hit the noise reduction. It's gonna be the level 1 noise reduction. All right. And by the way, I have the mic in my shirt here. I don't have the wind muff on, but I don't think it's too windy today anyway, so. All right. Now, what I'll say, okay, there's a little breeze out here. All right, so let me put the next level of noise reduction on. And is it singling out my voice better? Do you hear the little breeze? We're gonna try this out a little bit more today. I wish I should have brought the Action 4. The lighting on this one is not always that great, but it's so compact. I'll take a picture so you can see the size. It's not as small as it is with the Boya, but still pretty compact. It's in the palm of my hand, and my elbow's bent, so it's like a few inches from my face. Alright, Brooklyn and beyond. So today, got the Action 4, and I'm using, once again, the Saramonic Air. It's a little cold, it's a little breezy. Once again, the noise reduction is initially off because even though this one doesn't sound bad, I prefer the sound of microphones without the noise reduction. This block is a little quiet though, so it's no wind blowing. I got the wind muff. You see the flags are a little still. The open area where they usually have the tree for Rockefeller and where the ice skating is, the wind was blowing over there, blowing those flags around. But right now, it's not so bad. Not so bad at all. And it's actually kind of quiet. I guess all the tourist season is just about done, so a lot of the people are gone. It's just mainly the New Yorkers and a few tourists. Okay, there's a little breeze blowing. Now that I'm coming closer to 6th Avenue. Let's see if it hits me when I hit this corner. Oh, and I gotta answer the phone. Okay, sorry about the interruption. Back outside. A little breezy out. Now I can feel the breeze. You can see the flags waving, like the one behind me right there. How's my little dead cat working? Once again, we're gonna do this noise cancellation again. There we go. Noise cancellation. Once again at stage 1. Go walk a little bit with it. Oop, the lady trying to tie a shoelace, missed the pole. Ooh, almost kissed the pole. All right, let's walk down here. All right, so walking down here. Try and stay on 6th Ave because it's a little more rah-rah down here. But, okay, yeah, let's do it, let's do it. Yeah, still rocking down this way. Feel that breeze come. And now we'll go to the next. This is the second stage of the noise cancellation. Once again, the mic is right here. And I do have the dead cat on, so I think it's probably doing a good job of blocking the wind. And then when we go around the corner, across the street, then go around the corner. And then I'll turn it off the noise cancellation again. Oh, all right. And now we're around the corner. Less noise, less breeze. Buildings blocking the way. But you see, flag's still breathing a little bit. But down here on the ground, I don't really feel the breeze. It's probably when we get past that opening over here where the trees are. We can cut into 53rd Street. It's probably a little bit of breeze going through there. Oop. Stepped in a ditch for the trees. Yeah, still don't really feel too much of a breeze. I guess it's just up there. All right, but this is a good place to turn off the noise cancellation. Boom, noise cancellation is off. I still like the sound of the noise cancellation, sound of the microphones without the noise cancellation, but that's every microphone I've ever used. I'm not a fan of noise cancellation. Kind of the reason why I don't want to get the Boya Magic with its AI noise cancellation. But yeah, this is good. All right, on to the next episode.